brake fluid bleeder, I'm gonna do the 1% method, but I'm gonna use a compressor. I bought this kit from Pittsburgh, cost like about 20 something bucks. I'm gonna proceed install. You guys can see the car is up, all four wheels are down. So let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna proceed to remove the cap. Always better to clean them up first. After that, just pull it. And that's pretty much it. The cap is gonna tell you the brake fluid that you need. On this case, for the 2010 Corolla, said DOT3. You can use 40 if you want as well, but I always like to keep whatever the manual says. I have my brake fluid. I actually have 3 bottles of it. And we're gonna place them in the filled bottle. Now we're gonna close the filled bottle. Not too tight, pretty gentle. And we have these adapters. They're going this way. There's some people that put on the videos this way. That's wrong. Gotta go this way. It's going to look something like this. Remember the valve right there? The lever is closed. We have the compressor at 110 psi. You can have it between 90 to 110. I'm going to proceed with the brake fluid bleeding. The order is going to be the rear passenger side, then the left passenger side, then we move to the front right, and lastly it's going to be the left. So we will have everything hooked up. We have the fluid reservoir here. And this is, get a better light. Right here, this is the bleeder. Now this is the bleeder screw. We're gonna remove this rubber cap. If it's damaged, you have to replace it, or if you don't have it, you have to have one. So for this one, we're gonna use an 8mm. So our bleeding hose is connected, and this is already open. We're gonna go ahead and proceed and start with the bleeding. Remember guys, physics, try to do this little loop. It's gonna be easier and you're gonna have less bubbles. Done. We close. Now we're gonna put the cover. And you're gonna repeat that for the other 3. Just make sure while you're doing this, you check the level. See how much brake fluid we already went through. Okay, let's continue. So we're done with the wheels on the back. Now we're going to the right one, and after that the left one, and we're going to take the car for a test drive. And the same thing. I got a new one for this one too. And it goes just like this. So the brake fluid flush has been done. check the level, make sure it's to the max. And now it's time to put the wheels back and go for a test drive.